Merry
Christmas!
Merry
Merry
Christmas!
Christmas!
Buon Natale! Buon Natale a tutti! Ciao!
Maligayang Pasko!
Oh yes, maligayang Pasko in Tagalog.
Feliz Navidad! Anong salita mo,
Opo.
Natalie?
Nako, hindi ko po alam sa Arabic. Walang Pasko sa Arabic.
Sa
Merry
Bisaya?
Christmas na lang.
Alright.
Ay, Bisaya, maayong Pasko!
Maayong Pasko!
Maayong
Maligayang.
Pasko sa ninyong tanan.
Alright, okay.
Yes.
So, good morning, everybody. This is Island. I am back with my partners here, Natalie and Tita Yoli. Sandali, hinaan natin yung ating music. Yan. Okay, so we are back. We're very, very happy to be back. Christmas time, almost Christmas. Ilang araw na lang, 7 days to go till Christmas, right?
Yes.
It's just in time now we come back on again because we wanted to share some tips and insights on our online business and maybe your future online business as well. So anyway, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Island. I'm from Canada. I'm in Canada right now, but I'm from the Philippines originally, from Davao City. So Bisaya pud ko, pareha ni Tita. I am doing this online business for the past 4 years now, and this has just only the only thing that I'm doing right now because I was able to not return to my work after 1 year of doing this business. So I am a full-time mom, full-time online business owner, and I come on here because I would like to share this opportunity with you, how this has changed my life and how this has changed a lot of people's, families' lives, especially yung mga OFW, especially yung mga immigrants na kagaya natin. All right, so let's introduce our partners here, Natalie and Tita Yos. Kahit sino sa inyong mauna.
Tita Yoli? Ako po muna.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Hello po. Natalie here. Andito po ako ngayon sa Kuwait. Isa akong OFW na nagtatrabaho as a corporate employee. 10 taon na po akong OFW pero 8 years dito sa Kuwait. So, isa po akong single mom din and originally from the province of Nueva Ecija. I've been doing this online business for over a year now. And yes po, kagaya ng karamihan sa atin, akala ko noon sapat na ang pagkakaroon ng single source of income pero hindi pala. Kaya po praise God kasi nakita ko itong opportunity na ito and ginagawa ko siya part-time alongside my full-time job and yes po, nag-e-enjoy ako kagaya ng aking mga business partners na andito ngayon.
Yes.
So, yun lang po.
Thank you, Natalie. Tita Yoli.
Okay, ciao, buonasera, auguri, buon Natale a tutti. I introduce myself too, like those my business partners here, my beautiful business partners here. I am Yolanda Pelicano, living here in Italy. It's almost 4 decades now, so it looks like I'm old, but actually I'm not. I'm not yet old. I am nearly in my retirement, but having not retirement yet, living with my husband as a retirement husband. But then, actually, I'm homemaker, and of course, I'm proud digital business online, and this is I am loving to do it because this is the business that I love to share my business online. And here we are. Here we are. So I pass to you, Coach Island.
Yes, thank you, Tita Yos. You're welcome. Tita Yoli has been in Italy for, sabi mo, 3 decades or 6
Almost 4 decades.
But 4 decades pala.
Wow.
Tita Yoli, she's more fluent in Italian now kesa sa Tagalog and English.
Even in my English.
Yeah, so it's amazing how every time we hear her it feels like we're in Italy, we're in Europe.
Italiano.
Yeah. So and
Yes.
this is the good thing about this online business. We are now like no we're partners. We're working together, but we're in the different parts
Mm.
of the world. Natalie is in Saudi Arabia, and Saudi nga
Kuwait.
ba siya? Part siya ng Saudi. No, it's
No po,
Kuwait, right?
no, no. Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
Kuwait, and then Middle East pala, part ng Middle East, ano?
Yes, Middle East.
Yes, that's right. And then Tita Yoli naman is in Europe, 'di ba? In Italy, and
Mm.
I'm here in North America. So it's amazing. We do have other business partners that are global as well, and this is the beauty of this business because we could be working with people that are everywhere in the world, really, right? So
Yes.
you're not locked up to your to your local network lang. So
Mm.
anyway, today we come on because we wanted to share some of our insights about this topic. What is our topic today? Our topic is this. Pakita natin sa mga viewers natin ang topic natin. This is our topic, the one, you can read it, Natalie, if you want.
Yes, holiday shopping trends and hinihintay ko and what they mean for our online business. Yan.
Yes, yan. Yeah, so yan ang i-discuss natin ngayon. What is yung holiday shopping dress, because this is napapanahon siya no sa Christmas
Mm.
season. Lahat ng halos tao nagsha-shopping for
Mm.
whatever, for food, for gifts, for anything, for business, di ba? For
Yes.
investment, lahat. For minsan yung marami ring taong nagsha-shopping for properties,
Grocery.
houses, grocery,
For even groceries.
So what does it mean for our online business? Is this season helpful para sa mga taong merong online businesses? What do you think, Natalie? Or Tita Yols, whatever. What do you guys think ang significance nitong season na to para sa mga taong merong online businesses?
Mm.
Okay, the best way to shop online, dahil karamihan sa atin dito walang mga time, no?
Yes.
Like people works on groceries, in supermarket, on the shop, stores, boutique, wherever, no? Wala silang time. So most of them, nagsha-shop talaga sila sa online. Like I do too. Nagsha-shop din ako sa online. Even meron kaming clothes store, mall dito malapit sa akin. I'm always there. I almost go there every day, and I lagi ko sinasabi na ako ang nagsasara ng mall namin kasi every day I'm there just looking something for what gifts I can buy, no? But the thing is, online now is everything, shopping store, order some food, order some anything. You can name it, everything now. So lahat ng ginagawa ng karamihan ngayon online talaga. So what I can share in my online business, that it's really the best thing that you can have
Yeah.
to have your time na magagawa mo lahat ang magagawa mo sa time mo, but then yung online business mo is you can have it wherever you go kasi meron tayong cellphone, no? So the best thing talaga online. So I can really relate sa mga walang time diyan, na nagtatrabaho at gusto ninyong magkaroon ng online business. Ito talaga ang pinaka-the best na pwede ninyong salihan dito
Yes.
sa online business, kasi ito yung pinaka-solusyon ng karamihang sa atin na naghahanap ng business na pwede mong gawin while you are staying at home,
Yeah.
or katulad ko na I am close to my pension retirement, no? Kung
Yes.
naghahanap kayo ng business na pwede ninyong gawin ito dahil siyempre ayaw mo namang tumanda ka na wala ka ring gagawin, no? Kasi sa panahon ngayon, kailangan talaga meron ka ng second
Source of
source of income.
I
At saka
agree. Yes, tita.
actively nakaka-motivate siya at nakaka-rejuvenate kasi napupush kang gumawa ng something that
Out of
you
your
will
comfort
feel
zone.
alive, no? So you need business to do
Yes.
to do to have extra income, of course, no? Kasi
Yeah.
hindi mo naman pwedeng
I
i-relate
agree.
lang yung pension mo, no? Kasi
Yeah.
sa panahon ngayon, lahat talaga ang mahal ng mga bilihin. So,
Yeah.
I agree with you,
not
Tita
enough
Yolanda. Yes.
your fixed income is not enough. So,
Yeah.
wag na tayong
Yes.
mag-isip pa uh, ng ano bang iisip, ano bang gusto mong gawin sa lifestyle
Traditional
mo, no?
business. Wag na
Kung
mag-isip ng
kung
traditional business kasi
yes, kung magkaroon ka ng another source of income, ito na yung pinakasolusyon na pwede mong salihan. We
yeah.
are limited.
I agree, Tita. Coach, during this, makikita kasi natin that most of the time, people during these holiday seasons, they spend more time scrolling on their phones. So
Totoo.
we as online business owners, this is our, yung gamitin natin itong season na ito para boost yung ating online business. By sa paanong paraan. So pwede tayong mag-create ng mga eye-catching na mga post o kaya videos na napapanahon during this Christmas season. Sa paggawa nun, mas maraming tao yung ma-attract. Ano bang ginagawa nito sila? So,
Yes.
na pwede nating gamitin itong ating online business because we are already online business, owners. So let's use this holiday season na
Yes.
ma-improve pang lalo, magkaroon tayo ng mas magandang marketing strategy para mas maraming tao ang ma-attract dito sa ating business.
Totoo.
So,
And yeah,
Yes.
magandang idea yan, sis, kasi yun nga, sabi mo nga, lahat ng tao halos nag-scroll ng phone or tablets nila. And they're looking for something. They're obviously, naghahanap sila ng pang-gifts or naghahanap sila ng saan pagdadalhan ng pera nila.
Hindi sa bangko,
Sa pagdadala ng pera nila, it's either gusto nilang mamigay or gusto nilang mag-invest para sa sarili nila, whatever, right? Pero this is usually the time na mas nagsuspend ang mga tao ng money. Diba? Mas nagsuspend. Usually kasi tayo, kahit na sa atin, di ba, it's applicable na nag-iipon tayo from January until November. Tapos pagdating ng December, doon na tayo mag-suspend ng money. It's either investment. Pero rin yung mga tao usually nag-invest ng month of December, ng around Christmas, di ba? Namimili sila ng, properties nila, pwedeng ganun, bumibili sila naghahanap sila ng business. So this is the right opportunity for us na nasa online business na to grow more our business kasi ito yung tamang panahon, ito yung kumbaga this is a great opportunity for us na boost natin yung ating business through our marketing sa social media. Sisipagan lang natin syempre lahat ng kumbaga marami tayong competitors sa social media, 'di ba?
Super dami.
Yeah. Kaga nating magkaroon tayo ng we stand out. We stand out from the rest, diba? So this is holiday shopping trends is really a good opportunity for business owners to extra boost their businesses and through sales kung meron man kayong products or through networking, diba? More network. So ganon, yun yung mga yun yung isa sa mga importance or significance nitong holiday season para sa mga business owners. Para naman doon sa mga sis, para naman sa mga hindi pa or wala pang business? Ano na mga ang significance nito para sa mga taong naghahanap ng online business or ng business or any business, right? Specifically online business. What do you think?
Sa mga because I've been there before nung nagkaroon ako ng yung when we are not yet part of this online business, I was really actively looking and searching for a legit online business. So, syempre, saan ka rin pupunta? Internet pa rin. At saka sa pagbabrowse pa rin sa internet, sa Google, and using different kinds of social media. So, ang sa tips lang po namin as business owners na ngayon, do your due diligence at talagang tingnan ninyo kung ano talaga yung legit at hindi legit na mga online businesses kasi napakarami na po nowadays ang mga online businesses parang pare-parehas na. I-click nyo lang sa YouTube or sa Google, napakadami nang lalabas na mga suggestions and maybe nakakita na kayo ng mga ganitong klase ng mga advertisement sa mga Facebook ninyo, pero talagang ini-skip nyo lang. Pero, yun, kung wala pa kayong mga online businesses, we encourage you to check our online business, Pwede yan, for free lang po. You can access it. Meron kaming mga websites na makikita niyo sa mga screens namin. Kapag nag-register lang kayo dyan, idadirect nito kayo sa 90-minute na webinar namin and doon yung makikita kung ano yung ginagawa namin dito sa business na ito. It's one way, of knowing what this business is all about. Itong ginagawa namin. Meron din naman, pwede kayong magkaroon ng mga traditional businesses sa mga online din o kaya traditional businesses na pwede ninyong gawin. Pero we encourage you, we invite you to join us in this growing online business na ginagawa namin. And we want you to check it for yourself para makita ninyo talaga if this is for you or not. So,
Yes.
wala pong makawala.
Yeah. Tita, do you have anything to say or do you want to, or do you want to, yeah.
Katulad ng nasabi ni Sis Natalie, kung gusto nyo talagang magkaroon ng another source of income kasi hindi na talaga hindi na enough ngayon ang kinikita ng mga karamihan, lalo na yung mga paycheck to paycheck, no? Kasi marami ngayong mga expenses na dapat mong harapin na kailangan mo talaga ng source of income. Ito talaga ang pinaka-the best thing na pwede mong isabay sa yung trabaho, no? Kung meron ka mang trabaho, pwede mo itong isabay. Just try to learn. I-push mo yung sarili mo na matuto ka nito kasi karamihan kasi ayaw na ng online dahil sometimes people doesn't want to stay in front on the internet, no? Kasi napapagod na sila or na-stress sila dahil nga meron silang first traditional job. Pero at the end of the month, no, yung karamihan sa atin kasi nagrereklamo din na maraming problema sa economy, no, na walang asenso. So meaning kailangan talaga ng mga tao ng another income, no? Yeah. Hindi natin sabihin na nakokontenta ka na lang dahil money is not making you happy, no? But it's not true. We need money.
Yes. So anyway,
I'm trying my best to share my business online kasi ito yung pwede kong i-share talaga na kailangan malaman ng karamihan na meron pang another source of income na pwede ninyong aralin, no?
Yeah, ang kagandahan nito, Tita, di ba, ang nabanggit mo nga na you don't need to be in front of the computer all the time. Kasi pwede mo nga siyang magawa while you are having a full-time job. Kagaya ni Natalie, she's got a full-time job.
Yes.
So we can really attest to this business na this is doable even though konti lang yung oras mo. And you're not gonna get too tired of being in front of the kasi once you set up your business, syempre may setting up stage, may establishing stage, right? So once na-set up yung business mo, magrarun na siya automated in the background. Kagaya ng ginagawa ngayon ni Natalie, nasa work siya, tapos nagrarun in business niya. So this is a great opportunity for those who are looking to start
Yes.
something, di ba? Naghahanap kayo ng opportunity. Ito po ay isang legal, legitimate na opportunity na po pwede kahit na sino, as long as meron kayong drive. Naghahanap po kami ng mga tao na syempre seryoso, na naghahanap
Seryoso, katulad natin.
Yeah. Naghahanap kami ng mga tao na coachable kasi meron kaming training na kailangan i-follow natin, di ba? Kami sumunod lang kami sa training para matutunan namin lahat ng mga skills na natutunan namin ngayon dito sa online business. And marami kayong support. Meron kayong magiging coach, meron kayong magiging mentor, meron kayong magiging community na magsusupport sa inyo para maging successful kayo dito sa online business na to. So, ang kagandahan nito ay hindi ka mag-iisa. Sa iyong sarili ang business na i-build mo, pero hindi ka nag-iisang i-build ito. Yan. So,
that may willingness ka.
Yeah, may willingness ka. Tsaga din syempre, di ba? Because as we've said it over and over again, this is a business. So wala namang negosyo na kinabukasan mayaman ka na. Or
so, may effort talagang gagawin. May effort kang gagawin. You're na stress. Hindi ka stress. Hindi stress ang katawan mo.
Kasi, bakit hindi stress, tita? Kasi you schedule it on your own pace. Kung kailan mo siya gustong trabahuin, ganun mo siya gustong trabahuin. Kung gusto mo mabagal yung pag grow mo sa business.
It's a business, so kailangan talaga mag-mindset ka rin.
Yes, okay. So that's everything I think for now. Ito po yung aming mga websites, www.nataliefernandez.com. Yung kay Tita naman is www.yolandapelicano.com. Yung sa akin is www.islandbaker.com. Kahit na sino po sa amin dito, i-click ninyo or mag-sign up po kayo ng iyong name and valid email address para po makakuha kayo ng access sa aming webinar, free webinar. Anong makikita niyo sa webinar? Ang makikita niyo lang po sa webinar is paano po namin pinatatakbo itong business. Ano po yung overview nitong business na to at paano po kayo makapag-decide kung mag-decide kayo na para sa inyo ito. So, kayo po magde-decide, panoorin niyo po muna yung webinar and then you decide for yourself if this business is going to be, suitable for you. Right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, I think that's everything for now. Medyo mahaba-haba na tayo dito.
Yes
Bakit po kami next week?
Yes. See you again.
Opo. Balik kami next week para magkita-kita na naman tayo and makapag-share na naman kami ng aming tips and insights about this online business and about whatever is going on with our own businesses as well. So ito po, sana po marami kayong natutunan sa aming sharing today. Salamat Natalie, salamat po Tita Yols for coming on here. Any last words, ladies?
I just want to check out, guys. You need to check this out.
Yes.
So, para malaman ninyo kung ano itong mga pinaggagawa namin dito para mag-bless din kayo.
Yes, simple lang po. Hindi po siya ganun kahirap. Talagang, lang siya, simple system dahil susunod lang po talaga kayo sa instructions.
Yes, of course. Siyempre. Kailangan talaga sumunod sa instruction at manonood ka ng webinar. Kasi importante, maririnig mo yung mga testimonial ng iba kung bakit nila ginagawa ito. Dahil napakaganda rin talaga ng sistema. Tsaka nakaka-enjoy. Very, very, I'm having fun doing this.
Anyway. Talagang enjoy na enjoy si Tita dito. Talagang gusto niya kanyang
Kasi nabuboost up yung yung aking confidence, yes. So hindi ko rin ma-explain na meron pala, pwede ka palang matuto pag ganito.
Yes.
Anyway, I wanna great Merry Christmas to everyone sa aking pamilya, kung nakikinig man dito sa aming webinar at saka sa pamilya ninyo. So,
Merry Christmas.
Happy holiday.
Pasko na. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Everybody, I just want to say hi. Meron tayong viewers si Doc Joel Tan. Doc Joel Tan, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Doc. We miss you.
We miss you, Doc. We will see you next week. Sama ka sa aming live next week.
Yes.
All right.
Yes,
Have a great
hope to meet you
holiday,
here in
everyone.
webinar soon. See.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ciao!
Ciao,
Bye
ciao. Bye,
bye.
everyone. Merry
Ciao,
Christmas.
ciao!